Hi there, students. Rolling in the aisles. It means laughing very hard. To have people rolling in the aisles. So we use this causative structure. The comedian soon had them rolling in the aisles. The audience were rolling in the aisles. And the image I have of this is a comedian in a theatre, and he's telling jokes, and the jokes are really funny, and people are rolling on the floor laughing, ROFL. They're rolling in the aisles because they're laughing so much that things are so funny. So the comedian was very good indeed. He had the audience rolling in the aisles. So again, to have somebody doing something, have somebody rolling in the aisles, to laugh uproariously, to laugh hysterically. Your jokes are perfect for the speech you're going to give. You'll have them rolling in the aisles. Okay, he has some of the best jokes you've ever heard. He'll have his audience rolling in the aisles. So this is particularly about an audience or a group of people who are listening or watching someone. What a great performance he gave. He had them rolling in the aisles. So yeah, you could have them rolling in the aisles when you're giving a speech, but I think particularly a comedian, it means laughing a lot. So yeah, the comedian had them rolling in the aisles to be laughing very strongly. To laugh your head off, to split your sides. And this is, I think, related to this internet slang, ROFL, rolling on the floor laughing. And this is the idea. So laughing in the aisles. She soon had everybody in the room laughing in the aisles. The speech he gave was extremely funny, and he had everybody rolling in the aisles. So it's uncontrollable laughter. Yeah, you just can't help yourself. You're splitting your sides. So this I think definitely comes from the theatre, and this is figurative. Yeah, it's describing a situation where somebody finds something extremely funny and is laughing uncontrollably as a result. This is something from I think entertainment. When I told my friend about my embarrassing moment of the at work, she laughed so much she was rolling in the aisles. It's uncontrollable laughter. It's somebody who they can't control themselves because it's just so funny. Somebody who is dying of laughter. So rolling on the floor laughing. What would I give this informality? I think I'm going to give it a 4. Maybe a 4.5. Yeah, I think I'm going to give it a 4.5 informality. I think you could use it anywhere except for a very formal situation. So yeah, people are laughing uncontrollably. Yeah, it's talking about an audience which is overcome with laughter. I mean, notice rolling in the aisles, you need some sort of audience. He was still rolling in the aisles, coughing himself apoplectic when it was time for him to leave. Okay, so this is something that's really funny. This is something that it's so funny you just can't stop laughing. We went to the comedy club last night, and one of the comedians had everyone rolling in the aisles. The people rolling in the aisles. The people were rolling in the aisles. So, rolling in the aisles. Bye for now.